Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to roll back NVIDIA drivers to older version. First thing I want you to do is come here at the bottom left, right click on your start icon, and then click here on device manager. From here I want you to click on display adapters. You'll see all your graphics cards. I want you to just go ahead and right click on your NVIDIA graphics card, click here on properties, click here on driver, and you'll actually see rollback driver. So to roll back to older version, just click here on rollback driver. And if you see this one grayed out, then all you need to do, like mine right here, you just click here on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers. Then from here, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then just go ahead and select your NVIDIA graphics card and then click here on next, and it will actually start installing the older versions. And I'm not going to do this right now because it will actually stop the recording, because right now it is running the NVIDIA graphics card to run my recording. But otherwise, that's all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.